Welcome back to Everything Happens for Us, your go-to channel for beginner affiliate marketers. Today, we're diving into the 5 essential skills that will skyrocket your affiliate marketing career. Now, I know what you're thinking. 5 skills? Pat, you're killing me. But trust me, these skills are non-negotiable if you're serious about building a thriving affiliate business. We're talking about the skills that distinguish amateurs from pros, dreamers from doers, and, well, you get the picture. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to level up your affiliate marketing game because we're about to break down each skill step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to success and you'll be ready to crush it in the world of affiliate marketing. Let's do this. This isn't about tricking people. It's about understanding your audience and genuinely believing in the products you promote. Remember, in affiliate marketing, you're not just a salesperson, you're a trusted advisor. Think about it. People are bombarded with ads and promotions every single day. To stand out, you need to connect with your audience deeper. What are their pain points, their aspirations, their dreams? Once you understand their needs, you can tailor your marketing message to resonate with them. And that's where the wizardry comes in. You need to craft compelling copy that grabs their attention, builds trust, and convinces them that the product you're promoting is the solution they've been searching for. It's about highlighting the benefits, addressing their objections, and guiding them toward that add to cart button. But here's the secret sauce: authenticity. People can spot a fake from a mile away. If you don't genuinely believe in the product you're promoting, it will show, and your audience will not trust you. So, choose products you love and use yourself, and let your passion shine through. Mastering marketing and sales is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Stay curious, experiment with different strategies, and never stop learning. Now let's move on to our next essential skill. This goes beyond just stringing words together. It's about connecting with people, building relationships, and fostering a sense of community. Think about the best communicators you know. What makes them so engaging? They listen attentively, they ask thoughtful questions, and they genuinely care about the people they're talking to. And that's exactly the energy you need to bring to your affiliate marketing efforts. This means crafting compelling email copy that speaks directly to your subscribers' needs and aspirations. It means engaging with your audience on social media, responding to comments, and fostering meaningful conversations. And it means building relationships with other affiliates, merchants, and industry leaders. Remember, your network is your net worth. Building strong relationships with key players in your niche will open doors to collaboration opportunities, gain valuable insights, and establish yourself as a trusted authority. But here's the thing: effective communication takes practice. Don't be afraid to express yourself. Experiment with different styles and find your unique voice. The more you practice, the more confident and compelling a communicator you'll become. Third on our list is developing an analytical mindset. We use AI to handle data-driven decisions. Now I know what you're thinking. Math? Spreadsheets? Pat, you promised this wouldn't be boring. But trust me, this is where the magic happens. Think of yourself as a detective searching for clues to unlock affiliate marketing success. Those clues are hidden within your data: website traffic, conversion rates, email open rates, social media engagement, and KPIs. By learning to interpret this data, you'll gain invaluable insights into what's working and what's not, and how to optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. Let's talk about website traffic for a second. Are people clicking on your affiliate links? If not, why? Maybe your link placement needs work, or your call to action isn't compelling enough. You can identify these issues by analyzing your website data and making data-driven decisions to improve conversion rates. And it's not just about website analytics. Pay attention to your email marketing metrics. Are people opening your emails? Clicking on your links? If not, it might be time to revamp your subject lines, segment your email list, or experiment with different types of content. Remember, data is your friend. Don't be afraid to dig deep, ask questions, and use the insights you uncover to make informed decisions that drive results. Skill number 4 is all about time management. In the world of affiliate marketing, time is your most valuable asset. It's easy to get bogged down in the day-to-day tasks. But with effective time management strategies, you can streamline your workflow, maximize your productivity, and still have time for the things you love. One of the most effective time management techniques is prioritization. Start your day by identifying your most important tasks, the ones that will have the most significant impact on your business, and focusing on them first. It's easy to get sidetracked by less important tasks, but prioritizing your to-do list ensures you're always progressing toward your goals. Another game changer is batching similar tasks together. Instead of switching between writing blog posts, answering emails, and creating social media content throughout the day, dedicate specific blocks of time to each task. This allows you to get into a flow state and work more efficiently. And here's a secret weapon: automation. Many tools and software are available to automate repetitive tasks, such as social media scheduling, email marketing, and website backups. By automating these tasks, you free up more time to focus on strategic activities that move the needle in your business. Remember, effective time management is about working smarter, not harder. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your time, boost your productivity, and achieve your affiliate marketing goals faster. Last but not least, unleash your inner creative genius. In a crowded digital landscape, creativity is your secret weapon to stand out from the competition, captivate your audience, and leave a lasting impression. This isn't just about designing fancy graphics or writing witty captions. It's about bringing a fresh perspective to your affiliate marketing efforts. It's about finding unique ways to connect with your audience, showcase your personality, and make your content irresistible. Think about your favorite brands. What makes them stand out? They can tell stories, evoke emotions, and create experiences that resonate with their audience. They don't just sell products, they sell a lifestyle, a feeling, an aspiration. So how can you inject more creativity into your affiliate marketing? Experiment with different content formats. Instead of just writing blog posts, try creating videos, infographics, or podcasts. Think outside the box when it comes to promoting products. Instead of just sharing affiliate links, create creative challenges, contests, or giveaways that engage your audience. Remember, creativity is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So, don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and let your imagination run wild. Embrace your unique voice, quirks, and passions, and watch as your creativity sets you apart from the crowd. Master these 5 skills, and you'll be well on your way to affiliate marketing success. Remember, with the right skills, you can build a profitable affiliate business, significantly increase sales and revenue, establish a strong network in the industry, and continuously improve your ROI. So, which skill will you focus on first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Everything happens for us, so let's make affiliate marketing happen for you. Until next time, keep hustling.